How to clear your message history on Signal application. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to clear your message history on Signal. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal application on your phone. Now click on those 3 points up there and click on setting. Now scroll down and click in data and storage. Now you have managed storage. All you need to do is click on the third option on message history, which is clear message history, and click on delete. This will permanently delete all message history and media from your device. Click on delete all now, and this is it. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you, and if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.